Okay, so today I have the Lifeproof iPhone 6s case with the battery. So I've had it for about over a year now, and let's go over the pros and cons. So the pros is it's very strong, very durable. I've dropped it lots of times, as you can see. Some parts are actually have been destroyed. Like here it's falling apart, so it's not waterproof anymore. Let's go over some features. So basically, here's your headphone socket. You cannot put normal headphones through. You need to use an adapter, which the adapter is okay, but it doesn't work for me anymore. It uses a Samsung style charger right here, and the cap opens and closes, so it keeps it dust free. This battery was pretty good for the first 5 or 6 months, but now it doesn't hold a charge anymore. If anything, it gives me about 3% if I'm lucky. It's pretty good. It's very durable. It's quite hefty. The thumb recognition is pretty good. You have access to your buttons, but because you use it a lot of the time, the buttons do wear down. But overall it's good. I use it mostly for protection, because I do tend to drop the phone quite a lot and kind of rough with it. Would I buy it again? If I was going to buy it again, I'd probably buy it again without the battery. The battery seems just too heavy. It's a paperweight right now. It feels really heavy. Yeah, so that's Lifeproof review. Hope that helped. Goodbye.